commencing virtuous mission now.
Kasing value siya. Monetary value, or let's say what do you call this? Academical value, tama ba? Ayan, wala tayong wala tayong waiting screen dito, no? Wait lang.
Ito cobra to eh.
I'm sorry, I'll be right. It's so not even. So actually, I got it. Boom. Maybe I am. Then how?
Planet to say about an adventure opportunities. I remember my younger sister yun. Kanino to? Aiba. Takashi Aiba. Evade yun. Ako wala naman.
Start charger horn. Yeah, or the wire. There's food. You get here.
Was I that annoying when I was a kid?
How's the hunting and getting there? What can I do for you? I'll be on my way.
Okay, ayun guys, no? Para lagi kayong updated, kahit na hindi consistent yung streams natin, please type exclamation point.
Hintay.
Yung game na gusto mong laruin or individual game, no? So, yun yung titingnan nyo. Diba? Hindi na yung parang dahil, you know, malaking
Yun.
bago yung parang pinaka-final build. Pero sabihin mo yung pinaka-actual final build na buo na, wala na sila nun, no? Lost in translation na ika nga. Diba?
I've been told that Adam has infiltrated Vulcan's ranks. I've also arranged for him to provide you with an escape route. You'll need to rendezvous with him when you get there.
HQ.
Patrol here. We've lost sight. Who's that?
Uy! Ano nga ito nun?
There. Corey's safe.
Stranger, come on over here.
Like she can make things worse.
Don't go anywhere. I need to find whatever's blocking that drainage shaft and blow it sky high. Hopefully.
I don't know what a Nora.
Nice angle sa piano kanina, kaya nga eh. Ayan, kita yung ano. Basta yung minigame eh. Medyo mahirap eh. Lalo na yung challenges sa Chadley. Yan, bago ko na platinum yan.
Nag-age na rin, no, yung mga millennials. Parang tayong mga millennials, papasok na tayo dun sa stage ng life natin na parang tura mo, oh. Wala pa nga tayo sa topic natin. Anong oras na? Nakailan na tayo? 30 minutes na, 'di ba? Oh. Wala pa tayo sa topic. Sige lang, ano kaya niyo? Sila. So, paano pa malalaro yung game? Kasi nagre-require ng internet. Diba? Yun yung keyword din. Nagre-require ng internet. Yung mga modern consoles ngayon, nagre-require na ng internet for you to, you know.
Ano tayo?
Pinaka NFT. Kasi yung valid key, no, yung minint ni Sony, yun yung kailangan meron ka. So ngayon, ang tanong, sinong magme-maintain ng marketplace? Ang stakeholder is yung community mismo itself. Kumbaga, walang organization na involved. Diba? So yun yung parang pure decentralized. Kasi parang ang
Andy.
Have I ever given you anything less than perfection?
VN or ng version control. Wala. Mahirap na nating i-track yung mga yon. No, para makita yon. Yung mga source code tsaka yung mga art asset.
Nakuha ko na to.
So yung distribution ng NFT, ito, pwedeng masabi na ni Sony dyan na talagang it's for sale at bibili ng tao. na alam mo yun, nasa leading age na tayo, no? So I think parang ano din, no?
Anong purpose nitong festival and nitong ano na to? Nitong ritual na to? Bakit?
In the jungle.
Sa ating mga gamers, no? So since alam niyo naman na doon magkakaroon ng mga huge price drop sa mga games, 'di ba? And mga ano din, mga any
Hop, Zokidal.
valid game, no, from I don't know, from Sony or from Steam or from Nintendo, and then using that, no, using that
Yes, yung Guns of the Patriots, yung MGS3, exclusive sa PS3 lang siya. Wala siya sa PC.
Opening rear hatch. Come on. Blocking, then use a heavy attack or a power attack to break through. Either that or hit them from behind.
All right. We don't know the details, but it appears to be a new kind of nuclear device. For half a year now, the Soviets have been conducting frequent nuclear tests at Semipalatinsk.
Something to do with the weapon, I assume.
Parang
Sa case naman ngayon, instead of parang si Sony no i-upload yung game sa server sa Web3 kasi no or sa
Motherland. Ever since the Cuban Missile Crisis 2 years ago, Khrushchev has been pursuing a policy of peaceful coexistence with the West. Despite resistance and criticism from hawks in the army,
diba, of reviews. Oh, ngayon kung ano sabihin ng IGN, kung ano sabihin ng ignorance, papaniwalaan nila.
Ayan si Ibaro. Mampain na labas na kay Choshiro.
There's the strength to make a stand. To serve a purpose.
Kasi hindi talaga sila nag-engage on that. No, that's why. Kaya ellipse din ako no. Dito sa atin kapag wala kang trabaho, wala 'Di ba? Wala kang may bisyo ka pero the thing is futuristic yung setting ng Shadowfall. Kasi yung Earth dito parang Neo Earth na siya. Hindi na siya yung parang Earth na we used to be, no? Tapos ethics. Pero ito naman ang mahirap din sa work ko, no? Kapag talagang kailangan mong tutok, kailangan mo magtrabaho, gawa talaga. 'Di ba? Kaya yung validity of
President Johnson. Yes, I hear you, Mr. Chairman.
It was a hotline call from Khrushchev to President Johnson.
from the head of
The established design bureau.
from a lowly technician to head of a design bureau. That's quite a success story. So why do you want to defect?
It seems he'd become afraid of his own creations.
motor ang puta.
Who's that?
Serve a purpose greater than myself.
Won't we?
Tell me how to get to the lab.
The safest way in is from the rear. First, you'll need to head north through the jungle.
Approaching release point.
10 minutes to drop off.
Hey! Are you
Anong kasama ng volume to same ng MGS? Hindi ko sure, pero kasi 1, 2, 3 yung volume.
Mga comments nyo ngayon para yung editing ko on the process is medyo okay siya, no? Hindi masyadong maraming cut, di ba? Tsaka di ko
May bagyo na ba ulit? Ano bang bagyo ngayon? Ay, gago. Mali ako ng pindot, tanga.
And I will help clear a path. But after that, no more excuses. Barren Light. Embassy.
If such be the will of the sun.
Fans, no, ang mas gusto nila is yung boots on the ground. The team, war, rooted in reality, espionage, no, kaya nga
That's all of them. Now to find a way out of this room.
Kung tayo
dyan, siguro maybe yung Call of Duty Infinite Warfare. Kasi ako personally, I enjoy the game. Nagustuhan ko yung game. Promise. Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit.
Very smart. You were asking to have your gun jam on you. Besides, I don't think you're cut out for an automatic in the first place. You tend to twist your elbow to absorb the recoil.
Oh.
Meaning to say, ito yung mga component ng games na kung saan before the final release, no? Kasi kung halimbawa ganito, game din sa account mo, ikaw lang may access doon. 'Di ba? So ngayon kung halimbawa gusto mo siyang ibenta sa iba, no? So hindi mo siya, no? Kasi parang proof of work pa rin yung ginagawa sa ano eh. sa Bitcoin, 'di ba? Which is lahat ng altcoin proof of stake na.
Put out that cigar. Connecting oxygen hose to interior connector. Put on your mask.
Pwede natin stream yun kaso ano. Nag-i-invent tarantado. Kaya ka.
Paano kung halimbawa gusto mo ng something na itong data na to totally mawala dyan sa record na yan and gusto mo sa'yo lang, ikaw lang meron. Diba?
Guys, smoke lang ako.
Hey Snake, have you ever seen Forbidden Planet?
You won't get away from me!
See, you're a practiced hunter. Took you less time to kill those scroungers than vanguards to kill one bristleback.
Performance and outcome affect the fate of
Legit yun. Ano to?
Busin mo to.
Ano to? Pabusin mo raw yan. Pa lang. Si Claudie makulit na.
There's the quarry Thurles mentioned.
Is yung welfare ng tao. 'Di ba? More like dun sa parang alam mo 'yun, well-being mo. 'Di ba? Kaya nga